Are you ready to dive into the world of TikTok but don't know where to start? Don't worry, this video has got you covered. Stick around, and at the end of this guide, you'll be creating, scrolling, and engaging like a TikTok pro. First things first, download the TikTok app from your device app store. Once downloaded, open the app and either create a new account using your email, phone number, or sign in with the platforms like Google or Facebook. Make sure to choose a fun profile picture and a catchy username that reflects your personality or the type of content that you plan to share. Now let's explore TikTok. This is TikTok's homepage, or also known as your news feed. So in here you'll be able to find all of the suggested videos and posts for you. In here you can like, comment, bookmark, or repost videos. Now beside the home tab, you'll be able to find the shop tab. So in here you'll be able to find TikTok shop. Once you open TikTok shop, this will pop up on your screen, so where you can actually claim vouchers that you can use once you check out of the TikTok shop. So in here you'll be able to find all of the items of different categories. Now at the right side, you'll be able to find this inbox section. So in here you'll be able to find your message inbox. Here you'll be able to find the notifications for your TikTok account, such as followers notification, the messages that you've had with other users. You'll also be able to find your TikTok shop inbox. If you receive a message from a seller, you can simply receive that on that section. Now let's head over to the profile tab, and here you'll be able to find your profile. On your profile, you'll be able to find your post, or repost, your bookmark post, and your like post. And as you can see in here, the section that are only publicized is the post section and the repost section. So your bookmarked and liked videos are actually private. Now at the top right, you'll be able to find your profile views. Once you click on that gear icon at the top right, you'll be able to set profile view history into enabled or disabled. So this will allow you to get aware of those users that views your account profile. And that's it. You're ready to take on TikTok. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on navigating the digital world. See you on TikTok.